In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Park Assist Unavailable in Tesla Model Y. So first of all, guide yourself onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then choose the car. In this case, obviously, since we're looking for Model Y, Park Assist is not being available in Model Y, I'll be choosing the Model Y option. Click on the Model Y option. Once you're there, just choose any language you're compatible with. I'll just be choosing English. Okay. Then once you're here, I want you to go to the driving option on the left side. It's a bunch of options here, and I want you to click on the driving drop-down option. Okay. From here, you'll see this park assist option. Okay. Click on that and you'll find a bunch of information about Tesla practices. Okay, there's information, warnings, things to be warned of, things to take note of, and things to be cautious of. Okay, just go ahead and have a nice read of this. And if there's still a couple of things that you don't understand or why your practices isn't working or is missing or anything like that, then I do have a couple more tips to share with you. Okay, so the first thing I have to share with you is to restart the vehicle's system. So perhaps perform a soft reset. So while the car is in park, press and hold both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel until the touchscreen turns black and restarts. Okay. Now, another thing you could do is just to power off. So navigate to controls, then to safety, and then to power off on the touchscreen. Wait for at least 2 minutes without interacting with the car, then press the brake pedal or open a door to power it back on. Okay. Another thing you could do is to just check for any software updates. So ensure your vehicle is running the latest software version. So to do this, navigate to controls, software to check for updates. If any update is available, install it as Tesla frequently releases fixes for known issues. Okay. Another thing that could work if none of the previous things worked would be to clean sensors and cameras. Dirt, debris, or obstruction on sensors and cameras can impair functionality. So regularly cleaning all cameras and sensors to ensure they're all unobstructed. Okay. The next fix I have is to disable and re-enable autopilot features. Some users have found success by toggling autopilot settings. Go to controls, autopilot, and turn off all features. Perform a vehicle reset as described above, then re-enable the autopilot features. Another fix I have for you is to inspect for hardware issues. Physical problems such as loose connectors can cause this alert. For instance, a loose connector in the rear bumper has been identified as a culprit in some cases. Our last fix we have is to just consult service mode for alerts, okay? So to access service mode, go by navigating to controls, then to software, then press and hold the model label for a few seconds. Enter service as the access codes and check for any active alerts that might provide more insight into any issues. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.